Hi everyone, I'm Courtney from Moccamaster USA's Consumer Relations team. Today's question is, why doesn't the outlet arm have forceful spray when brewing? This question actually comes up quite a bit as customers expect to see a forceful spray into the brew basket. Let's take a step back and examine the two main styles of coffee brewing, immersion and infusion. In immersion brewing, your coffee grounds are completely submerged in water, like when you're brewing with a French press. In infusion brewing, water is gently poured over the coffee grounds and flows through them, creating just the right amount of turbulence, creating perfect extraction. All drip coffee brewers will use infusion, but very few are able to produce the rich results of a pour-over like a Moccamaster does. They may not get the water hot enough, may forcefully spray the grounds, creating too much turbulence, and may brew for too long. Rather than relying on a mechanical pump, a Moccamaster utilizes only natural percolation when brewing. As the water begins to boil, the first pulses of water trickle out slowly, allowing for the coffee to bloom. As the water moves through the outlet arm and over the coffee grounds, it creates just the right amount of agitation to fully extract the coffee solubles. Combined with a carefully controlled water temperature and brewing time, the result is a perfect cup of coffee backed by science. For more about the science of perfect coffee, you can read our article in the link below. For questions about brewing, check out the support center on our website, moccamaster.com, or as always, reach out to our consumer relations team. Thank you so much.